Coach Nikki. I'm from Vertical Freedivers, and I choose freediving because it's very peaceful for me, and it's my way to distress from very toxic and stressful work and life. Also, tips for beginners. Huwag kayong matakot, huwag kayong kabahan, just relax and just trust your coaches. Hindi nila kayo pababayaan. So, come dive with us here at Vertical Freedivers.
Hi, I'm Gerald from Vertical Freedivers. I'm one of the coach, so I'm Coach Gerald. And why freediving? Because curiosity comes first. So, marine life, syempre, gusto mong makasalong yung mga isda lumangoy. And also, may mga gain akong experience na hindi man naman nga nararanasan on the land. And third is may kalma. Yung peace nasa ilalim ng dagat habang nag-dive ka. Nandun siya. Especially yung silent other things na hindi mo naman nga naranasan before. Ayun yung mga bagay na nakakapag bigay sa akin ng inspiration para mag-free dive on weekly. So, and um, tips sa mga beginners is relax, kalma, and huwag kayong mag-alala. Sa dagat, hindi kayo manunod as long as you're using the gears properly and trust yourself, trust the coaches, and trust the process. Um,